In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty your Dropbox trash, a simple yet important task for managing your digital storage and keeping your files organized. Let's dive right into the process, which will take us no more than a few minutes to complete. First and foremost, let's begin by navigating to Dropbox.com. Here you'll be greeted by the homepage of one of the most popular cloud storage services around. Dropbox allows you to store your files online, access them from anywhere, and share them with ease. But over time, just like in any storage system, deleted files accumulate in the trash, taking up precious space. The next step is to log into your Dropbox account. You'll see a login button conveniently located on the home page. Clicking on this will prompt you to either enter your credentials, like your email and password, or log in using various other methods that Dropbox supports for a seamless sign-in experience. For many, the quickest way to log in is by clicking on the Continue with Google button. This option lets you use your Google account to access Dropbox, streamlining the login process and bypassing the need to remember yet another password. It's exceptionally convenient if you already use Google services and want to integrate them with Dropbox. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left and go to Files in your Dropbox. This page is essentially the heart of Dropbox, where all your stored files and folders live. It's where you can organize, share, and manage your digital life. What we're specifically interested in today is the deleted files section. This is where Dropbox keeps all the files and folders you've decided to remove over time. Think of it as a safety net, allowing you to recover anything you might have accidentally deleted. To access it, simply click on Deleted Files. Now comes the part where you decide what you'd like to permanently remove from your Dropbox trash. As you navigate through your deleted files, take a moment to review them. It's important to be certain because once you permanently delete these files, they're gone for good. This is a great time to double check that there's nothing you might need later on. After selecting the deleted files you wish to eliminate forever, look for the Permanently Delete option. This critical step is the one that will free up your storage space and help keep your Dropbox tidy. By clicking on Permanently Delete, you confirm that you no longer need these files and that you understand they will be irrevocably removed from Dropbox. A friendly piece of advice here: while it can be tempting to quickly clear out your trash to make space, always take a moment to ensure you won't be needing those files again. Whether it's old work reports, personal photos, or anything in between, it's best to be sure because after this step, there's no going back. And that's pretty much it. You've successfully navigated through the process of emptying your Dropbox trash. Not only have you cleared up some valuable storage space, but you've also taken an important step in organizing your digital files. Regularly managing your Dropbox trash can help you keep your digital storage in tip-top shape, making it easier for you to find and work with the files you do need. Before we wrap up, remember that Dropbox, like many cloud storage services, is designed to make your life easier. Getting into the habit of periodically cleaning out unnecessary files and organizing the ones you keep can significantly enhance your productivity and ensure that your digital work environment is as efficient as possible. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial has been both informative and helpful. Happy organizing and see you in the next video.